Ghana Parliament just approve allowances for their presidential spouses. For those of them who don't understand, that is the president's wife and his assistant go dey collect salary. Hey, shall I sure say me if I no go join one of these presidential wife like this? Because when they see benefits, say in fact, the money where they go they pay them now 21,000 cedis. My Nigerian people, on know how much this money be. That one na 2.1 million naira. I know they talk of per year. Per month, every month, and then this woman go they collect. Hey, it be like someone kind money don't bust inside in these people hand. So they gather this kind of reason because I don't even understand them. And they say they go start to they pay them from 2017. Long. They don't even start say make we even manage 2017 turn. I don't go they pay them these people for. It be like say that these people something they worry them. My people are beg make now follow me watch.
Sometimes we always look at the monetary aspect, not looking at the contributions that they bring to the table. Mr. Akufo-Addo is doing a lot at Kolebu. Everybody is happy about it. Mrs. Baumia is also doing something very good around the country. Mrs. Kufuor did the Mother and Child Foundation. Sometimes through them, various non-governmental organizations are able to channel some supplies through their organizations, and it comes to Ghanaians. You never know which member of your family has benefited from some of their initiatives. It's possible. So it is in that light and that vein or wisdom that I don't think they are paid anything extraordinary.
And on top of all this one, in fact, other allowances, they never enter. The remaining money, maybe money to go sit down and do meet out, you know even they inside. Ha! Now wow, Ghana people, I know say those of now we do maths. And I go down sit down and start to the calculator from 2017, 2018, reach 2021. Money where they won't pay this for a whole 5 years. Now they won't gather, say they won't pay them this woman. But see, people don't disapprove. Even me, I don't even they disapprove, say me they don't pay them. But I beg this money too much. These people already, they even receive some benefits already. So what can be the essence again? Say, the person they sit down for a meeting. Okay, if the person no can go school, what thing I won't can use as the benefits? Okay, when they pay this woman because of this reason. Now I can't decide the money. Now the money will even plenty self. Now they surprise me. For a whole 5 years, now one can gather this money all together. When I know how much that one go be. But I like as the people of Ghana, they know, in fact, they don't even go well with this one. They don't complain, say no, they no agree. Say this one where they do a wrong decision. Why they go just sit down? They take up wrong decision. Say, in fact, they don't like the whole thing. Say, you know, even they inside constitution self to they pay the president wife. So where they can't see this one? My people are beg. Make now follow me watch the interviews of these people.
Why should they earn monies from our sweat? They are making their monies. Why can their husbands feed them? I mean, why should it come from us?
But to me, I don't see it to be necessary because they don't hold any public office. If they are to be holding any public office, I would have said fine, they can be paid. But if they are not holding any public office and you are saying they should pay the first lady and the second lady, I don't see anything good about it.
See, sometimes when government takes some of these decisions, it looks like they don't care about the people. I mean, it's not really out of place, you understand, because they're also playing their part. But I see the timing, personally for me, I think is wrong. Things have become so tough. People are struggling to make ends meet, you understand me?
They should not pay them because they are enjoying from their husband already. Because their husband is the president and their first lady. They should not pay them. Is that in the constitution? For a long time, is it in the constitution? Then why do they introduce it? It's not fair.
And I don't hear, Abi. Say then these women, they don't already enjoy their privileges. I said that they even marry president, he gets some kind of things, benefits they gain from them. So to come they add additional money, so they give them. It means that this one, they don't blow, they don't even hammer. No need for them to even do anything. They just sit down for house, sleep. Even Biden, his wife know they collect money. Now a whole Ghana, it be like say Ghana people, it be like say all of them are tax money. Now they won't use, they go give them these people. I been a money where they borrow from people hand. Now they don't use it. They won't decide to go, they give them these women. Because I don't know what they see where they make this kind of decision. This is where country hard, everywhere hard. People they even suffer to chop. Now I can't decide say na this decision I won't do. Some people they even give seminar 5 naira tolo kobo they know they see. So because president wife now, as be say she be almighty first lady, and she can't go give her now make na one can carry all these privileges give her. I don't know as people don't come outside, they go change their mind. I bet they don't approve and be there because to me, in fact, it no too make sense. Even if they won't give them back, make na beat this money down. And if you talk say okay, this 2.1 million, make na do one for the whole year. Maybe that one you go do okay by people. But say this kind of money month, I sure say people go gas up, people go complain about this whole one because people don't like the whole idea. In fact, they don't even go well with them. So Ghana people beg, making a work, making a change this whole plan. I been waiting, I even put them, and even though behind a law, I been waiting a call, making a try change them. My people, I hear this one inside Ghana. I want to make a bring and come, making a service now here. Here waiting they happen. Make now don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. It don't red inside Ghana because protesters now don't hit street. They don't go there, they complain about the police killing, the military killing where they happen, and the insecurity stuff where they happen inside the country. Sure, at least in only one place, now this whole thing they happen for. I don't know, say this one self don't enter Ghana. It don't they reach everywhere. People don't they wake up, everybody eye don't clear. On ourselves, now go promise change, or now they give them another thing. Now there people self don't bust out, they do their own protest. And this whole protest now NDC party now in the host up. Me I the reason say some political things they inside this whole matter because if they are normal use like the whole country people come out and say okay they won't do this kind of for reason and well. But this I be saying now only NDC youths now they host this kind of thing, my people. If like say something they inside. But now they come outside they talk about the fix the country wahala. Say things no good for the country. Say people they hunger. Make their president Akufo-Addo do something about this whole matter. My people, make now follow me watch. As this protest they go for road, now so they go on different social media platforms. Now so people say carry their billboard, they talk about this whole thing. Say that they hungry. Say in fact, I want them their own police because they provide security for them. See, see as police carry motor, like say what won't even happen. Gather for road, they guide road. Say people they protest. Why Nigeria police no do this kind of thing during our own Lekki protest? On they see country, on they see unity. When my people beg, as na stand here, make na use one leg, make one leg there for another place. As na leg there for here, make the second one day house. In case president go give another law, say okay, make they start to the shoot. Now we know say na don't jackpot reach in a house. Make they no go do anything for happen for Lekki. The shooting will happen for Lekki. Make they no come repeat and for here. But I shall say this one now, big people there among. Some people they complain, say, hungry, they say everything don't increase. So to be saying now 1 cedi, it don't turn to 50 cedis. Everything don't increase times 3. So people now they really vex. My Ghana neighbor people are beg. I don't know as want to beg this our president, but me I the reason I beg. More do exchange. Maybe Buhari come and say small, maybe just for like 2 months. Make we self contact Nanado. Maybe na go come see the difference, na go understand. Say in fact, on they enjoy. Now they are gonna say this one when they even complain, na never see foco, na still they learn. But I beg, President Nanado, I beg, do something about this whole matter. People they really vex, people they complain, say hungry day, say everything don't change. This way you promise them, no be this one you bring. You come there say you won't come touch lives, you don't come turn their lives all around. Things don't even change for everybody. Transport will go be small money before it don't increase. It means that this whole thing, it blessing at the whole of Africa and they suffer this whole sufferness. But I like as then these people say don't come outside. They gather the morale, come outside, come complain. Because the people they keep quiet. One day last time everybody go just die inside the country. We say person they close mouth. Fine, you do some things good. Why people they complain? Because recently, now so they gather, they arrest some people. They even arrest one celebrity, Efia Odo, because of this fix the country protest. So I hope say this one said they don't one letter here say they don't go arrest some people, but they don't go catch some people. We don't want to hear that one. People they come outside, they speak their mind, they talk their mind. So listen to them. If you know say go fit do something about them, do the thing about them. Not be saying I go the ear for 1 year, the thing go to come outside for 1 year because you and Buhari na be 5 and 6. But I don't know behind the same sickness where they worry and they follow you self. So I beg do something about this whole thing. I don't know who go follow you talk about. I don't know who go come beg you. Tell you say people they vex. So now people go come outside. This thing go turn to another thing. Make you no come go be like Nigeria or we say so now katakata will come boss. So we say people will come they fight and police and they do all this kind of thing. Now make people don't come outside now. They tell you. But this NDC I don't know. But for their election now, who go win or who no go win, we never know. Because it just be like party. Now it just blessing our two parties now they tackle themselves. Now so they reason the thing. We don't know who good, we don't know who bad. It just be like APC and PDP. Now so this one said just be NPP and NDC. Now the two major parties, me I just see and say na tackling. They just want if this one bring you, this one say go bring you. My people, maybe they see as this thing they go. I hear this one inside Ghana, come make I bring and come on aside, make na service na here. Here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make na don't forget to write down for the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.